Kung ang Diyos ay hindi totoo at wala talagang creator na lumikha ng lahat ng bagay, meaning the universe came into existence from nothing. Pero teka, di ba parang hindi makatotohanan at unreasonable na sabihin natin na ang isang something like the universe at ang lahat ng nasa loob nito ay nag-exist from nothing? Because we know nothing does not exist in the first place. Obviously, wala itong kapangyarihan para mag-exist ang isang bagay, kahit mag-self-exist, because it is nothing. So paano nga magsisimula ang isang bagay kung wala itong starting point or cause? Pero alam nyo, hindi kalokohan na isipin na may isang makapangyarihan na gumawa ng lahat ng bagay, because nothing cannot make something. But someone like God can make something out of nothing. Now listen. If one believes that the universe exists alongside God rather than being created by God, then the universe must be eternal. Wala itong simula, walang wakas. Pero magkocontradict ito sa second law of thermodynamics. That all things naturally move from order to disorder. Lahat ng bagay ay patungo sa pagkasira kung walang magpapanatili ng kaayusan. And we all know that only God is both eternal and immaterial. That's why we believe in God, the only creator of the universe. God bless and Christ is King.